Have you ever dreamed of starting your own clothing brand but felt stuck because you, Dan T, have a factory, a big investment, or a team? What if I told you that you could start today with almost nothing and still build a powerful brand that people love and recognize? It all starts with a simple idea and the right strategy. Let me show you step by step how you can turn a small t-shirt idea into a real, thriving brand. Many of the world's most successful brands started with tiny ideas. Think about it. A single t-shirt, a simple logo, or even a sticker became the beginning of something huge. Brands like Supreme and H&M didn't start with massive factories or millions of dollars. They started small. The real secret wasn't money. It was understanding the market, creating something people love, and marketing it smartly. With dedication and consistency, your small idea can grow into a powerful, recognized brand. Even if you start with almost nothing, the first step is to visit a wholesale clothing market. Your goal is to find good quality t-shirts that are affordable. Look for shirts that feel premium but don't cost much. Check the fabric, stitching, and durability. Ask yourself, if I bought this shirt, would I feel proud to wear it? Take your time. A high-quality t-shirt with a well-designed logo can look like it came from a big brand, even if it was bought at wholesale prices. Don't rush. This step sets the foundation of your brand. Once you have your shirts, it's time to create your logo. Your logo is your brand identity. It should be simple, memorable, and visible. Think of Nike or Adidas. Just a small design, instantly recognizable. You can hire a freelance designer for a small fee, or use online tools to create a clean, professional-looking logo. Place the logo on the front of the t-shirt, where it is clearly visible. Even small details like neat folding or proper packaging make your product look professional and premium. You don't need hundreds of t-shirts at the start. Begin with a small batch, 20, 50, or 100 shirts. Focus on quality over quantity. Pack them neatly, press them properly, and use clean packaging.
Action.
Presentation matters because it makes your brand look serious and professional. Starting small also allows you to test the market and get feedback without wasting money on large inventory that might not sell. Marketing is where your brand truly grows. You don't need big ads or millions of dollars. Start by finding local influencers, bloggers, or personalities on social media. Compliment their work and politely offer your t-shirt as a gift. Many people happily accept gifts and sometimes even wear them publicly. Once they wear it, ask for a photo with the logo clearly visible. These photos are powerful marketing proof. Later, you can show these photos to clothing store owners. Seeing well-known people wearing your brand builds trust and increases the chances they will sell your product. A strong brand is more than just a t-shirt, it's a story. People love brands they can connect with. Why did you start? What does your brand represent? Share your story online, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Post behind-the-scenes content, designing the logo, packing shirts, or visiting markets. It shows authenticity and passion. When people see your dedication, they are more likely to support your brand. Story creates an emotional connection that simple marketing can't match. Once you have a small following and proof that your product works, it's time to scale. Increase your inventory slowly, introduce new designs, and explore online sales. Collaborate with more influencers, local stores, and online shops. Track what designs sell best and focus on them. Over time, your simple t-shirt idea can become a full clothing brand with multiple products, loyal customers, and a recognizable logo. Small, smart steps make a big brand possible. The secret to building a brand isn't money, it's hard work, consistency, and smart marketing. A small idea, a few high-quality t-shirts, and the right strategy can turn into something huge. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Test your ideas, learn, grow, and keep moving forward. Every successful brand started with one simple idea. Your t-shirt today could become the clothing brand people recognize tomorrow.